Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Hi. Hi, everybody. Okay, you ready to get dressed? You ready to get dressed for your birthday party? Come on, let's go. Or magician or whatever the heck we paid for. You won't see all that. Ooh. Oh Lord. Got him some New Balances. Let's go. Oh look, he likes the chain. You like the chain, Papa? Tell me, you feeling it or what? You feeling the chain or what? Oh, ho, 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 you know. So, what's going on right now is we just parked the car. It was a mission. We had to get some balloons, which Jazz is pushing right now. They were just flying all over the place. We're going to the spot. We're late. Everybody's late. So, but we just gotta finish painting it off. But I'm gonna record when we get inside. Alright, buddy? Alright, buddy boy? Yo, she's gangster. Holding the cake, pushing the carriage. I don't even know if the wind is affecting this right now because I left the screen in the house. But I guess we'll find out, right? Oh, what is going on? What is this place? What is this place, buddy? Whoa. You like it? You looking around? Oh, he's looking. We're about to go to our party room right now. I think we're at the first party room, if I'm not mistaken. Kids Club messed up our time for our party, so let's try and get a discount. Yeah? She's tight. I don't like being late to anything. Right, babe? My arm's hurting. This kid's falling. Here, hold this.
Babe, my arm is literally shaking.
Dang, you look good, no? Mmm, yummy. We got his balloons. We got to show the cake real quick.
Babe, I'm not doing that right now.
You rude.
My arm is shaking. I'm out of breath. I'm cold. I'm tired.
Yeah, we're gonna get more when everyone comes in and the party room's ready.
That's how it was.
Yeah, it is a lot of people. A lot of people. You got Spider-Man too? Right. Whoa. What are you gonna get?
A butterfly.
A butterfly. Okay.
Whole entire face. Whole entire face.
Your whole face? Oh snap. Want to get your face painted?
Yeah, I'll make it too. You want a flower as well? Or do you want a sword or something?
And It looks cool like that.
Oh, there we go. Perfect.
What do you have to say to the vlog?
Hopefully, you know, I get some pizza too eventually. And I'm ready to play the games. I'm kind of almost over with this inside spot. I want to play the games. That's where the real fun in this place is.
Huh? Still got a hold of him a little bit. Whoa! Whoa, is that an ocean monster?
Everybody clap it up for Elan! Now everybody clap it up for Jasmine! Okay, let's see how loud Elan's family could get. Let's clap it up for Elan! Now let's see how loud Jasmine's family gets. Give it up for Jasmine! Now if we all the same family, clap it up for Riley!
What is this?
Hire me for your baby birthday parties.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riley. Happy birthday to you.
All right. It's for all those kids that used to bully me in high school.